At first, we are weak sa mga bagay na hindi natin alam pang gawin. Sa umpisa, napaka-minimal lang yung effort na kaya natin gawin. Like, kung hindi ka pa sanay mag-push up, 1, 2, 3, yun lang yung kaya mo. May limit. Then, kung magbabasa ka man, kung hindi mo ugali talaga magbasa, siguro yung 1 page, yun yung kaya natin basahin sa isang araw. May limit. Kung runner ka naman, kung tatakbo ka naman, napakaliit lang yung amount of space and time na kaya mong takbuhin. Pero, when you start, build a habit. Every day na ginagawa mo yon. As you go along, lumalalim yung amount of time, lumalalim yung amount of effort, lumalalim yung amount of knowledge. So, sa umpisa, weak tayo. But when you focus, when you exert time and effort, at least every day, patuloy mong ginagawa, na-develop yung skills kung saan man gusto mong i-develop. At napaka-importante para sa atin nun. Ang kailangan lang, we have to start to develop mind growth. Kung meron kang gustong marating, kung meron kang gustong maging skillful sa anumang part yun, anumang bagay yun, you have to start now. Little by little, kapag nagpa-practice ka, mas na-expand mo yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo, natututo ka, na-develop ka. Ang importante, you start now. Sa umpisa, given, wala kang alam, hindi ka skillful, bagal ka. Pero as you go, every day, palalim ka ng palalim. Pa-deeper and deeper yung knowledge, yung kaya mong gawin. Kasi bakit? Palalim na ng palalim sa puso mo yung ginagawa mo. Napaka-importante when you do such things, comes with your heart. Because it comes with your heart, hindi ka basta matitinag. Patuloy mo siyang gagawin kasi alam mo, yun yung gusto mong gawin. Hope this simple motivational talk will learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.